Okay, we've got to simplify. We love simplifying, don't we? Technically, I guess the subject of sine here is two terms, isn't it? So simplifying, we just want to add that into a one term, so in terms of x maybe instead of pi plus x. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw the unit circle, and we're going to draw some terminal rays. Pi plus x, so x is an angle, but we don't know what angle it is. My suggestion is to always draw it as an acute angle. So I'm going to draw it there, and I'm going to put the reference angle in as x, because it's pi plus x, because pi plus x is actually over there, isn't it? So that's pi plus x, where that is x. So you can see our symmetry here, can't you? X is the same angle in both quadrants. Reference angle x is same, therefore sine pi plus x same value as sine x. So all of a sudden we know that sine pi plus x and sine x have the same number attributed to them, the same ratio, but what we don't know is whether it's positive or negative. So we can say up here that sine is positive in quadrant 1. And I'm going to put a little star here because we want to justify what we're doing. Sine aligns to or is linked to the y component of our terminal ray. So you can see here, there's our y-axis. So the y component of the terminal ray here is negative, therefore sine is negative in quadrant 3. Because it's negative in quadrant 3, we can put our answer and say simply, therefore sine pi plus x is the same as, because that's positive and that's negative, we're going to say negative sine x. So we know that without the negative, the two values are exactly the same, but because there's this negative positive relationship here, it's going to be negative sine x. So that's simplified because it's just in terms of x. Where we end up going is simplifying a couple of things. So let's go simplify something like sine pi minus x plus cos pi plus x divided by, let's make something up here, sine 2 pi minus x, etc, etc. So you would have a different diagram for each of those and put them all in terms of x and then simplify as far as possible.